Hello, my most amazing artists. Today we are going to learn about Zentangles, which are doodles, and I got these from online. So some of these I got from Simon Says Stamp Blog, and some of them I got them for Tangles for people who doodle. Zentangles are doodles that people use to relax. So they're controlled doodles based on patterns. We are going to create a project based on Zentangles, but first we need to figure out what we're going to do our Zentangle doodles along. And I figured it'd be easy for you guys to pick a letter, draw a letter on here, and then create your Zentangles around here. So I'm going to do an S because that goes for my first name. Draw it lightly so you can erase. If you want to make a bubble letter and you don't know how to make a bubble letter, so draw the shape that you want. So here's my shape, and then I'm going to trace around that shape to make the letter, whatever letter it may be. Then all you have to do is erase this inside and you'll have your bubble letter left. You must create a bubble letter so that this works properly. It can't just be super skinny or the Zentangle design won't show up in the way that we want it to. Once you have your letter drawn on there in pencil, do not outline it in Sharpie or erase it, just leave it there, and we're gonna erase it after we're all done. So to complete your Zentangle, you can use a pen, you can use a pencil, or you can use some markers. So I'm gonna use some Sharpies. Like I said, you could do it in pencil, pen, whatever you want. You could just do it in one color, or you can do it in many different colors. When you look at these Zentangle doodles, it shows you step by step how to create them. Oh, Miss Miller was going the wrong way. Step by step how to create them. Some are more complicated, some are more simple. If you do not want to do any of the ideas that you see here, you can make your own ideas as long as it's a pattern. So like I said, it shows step by step how to create these Zentangles. That should help you when we get to working. I'm gonna divide the areas around my letter into different sections so it's easier to create Zentangle doodles in here. You can divide it up however you want. Maybe you wanna make it into smaller sections where I divide these up even more. I don't wanna do that, so I'm just dividing it up like this. And now I'm gonna pick what Zentangle doodle I want to do, and I'm going to do it in each of these sections. If you don't feel comfortable doing it in Sharpie, you can do pen first, but if you make a mistake with your doodle, no one will know. You can make it work. So if I mess up my design, I don't make it quite the way I want it to, well, I can make that part of the design. Notice I am going to the edge of my letter for this design so that my letter shows or starts to show up. Your design is complete. You can erase your pencil lines. Oh wait, I didn't finish my design over here. Gotta fix that quick. There we go. Once your design is complete, you can erase your pencil lines. And you should be left with just the space where your letter is blank. And this is called positive and negative space. Positive space is the space that is filled in. So what would be the positive space in this picture? Positive space is all of my Zentangle designs. Negative space is the empty space. So negative space, the empty space, which is my letter, is how I'm creating my letter. I'm using the negative space, the not filled in space, to create my letter. So here is a fun project idea. You guys are welcome to try it. Have fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will put some Zentangle design links in the description. Bye.